Hey guys, sorry I haven't been uploading in a while, but right now I have a new little puppy. You can barely see him. He's there, I'm telling you. Okay, that's not him, that's his hat he's wearing, but he's right here. As you guys can barely see him, I'm sorry. The hat is on top of him. I'll show you guys tomorrow in the morning. But right now it's like 8, wait, check. Yeah, it's 8. It's been 3 hours. Yeah, I know. My eyes look so scary right now. I'm like, yeah, I know. I need help. Okay, but anyways, guys, we are at fuck. Okay, don't say bad words. Get only act. Okay, but we're at I don't know what place this is called. Okay. This is a place where we sell animals, get money, get checks, so much. And I actually got my puppy. I'm like leaning right next to him. It can't even freaking see. Could you guys see it? I think you cannot. Because I'm right now lying, okay? Okay, so, yeah. I'm actually really sleepy right now, and my puppy already fell asleep. So cute. So cute right now. Do you see it? Oh no. But yeah, guys, it's really dark out here, man. It's kind of scary. But yeah, my mom's just there playing freaking video games, man. Like seriously, whatever. But yeah, I hope you guys subscribe and leave a like. Please, I don't want hate comments, please. Okay, I know my baby suck. Anyways, Chance. My name's JF. I'm joking. Alright, that's really old meme. Alright, but yeah, this fudging seatbelt hurts my face. Okay, it hurts me. Okay, so you guys can see me clearer. Why does it look like I'm being executed? It's kind of scary. Look at my teeth. It's so beautiful. I'm cringy.
That's crazy.
What are you talking about, woman? I'm not crazy. I'm joking. But yeah, guys, I hope you subscribe. As I said before, and leave a like on this video. Bye.